Hey guys, so we are going to see this unboxing and review of JBL Endurance Peak headphones. As you can see, it is Bluetooth enabled and it has won Red Dot Award 2019. So this is the box. If you purchase it, you will get this kind of box. It is a true wireless, it is waterproof, and this box contains a charging case to charge these earphones. So let's open it and see what we are getting inside this box. Also, it has 28 hours of battery backup. That means one charge it is giving us 4 hours of playback, which you can see over here. It is a 4 hour of playback and 24 hours of battery backup that the charging case will provide. So a total of 28 hours you will get, and in a quick minute of 10 minutes of charge it will give you around 1 hour of playback. So that's a good thing. Over here you can see some details. It is you can do hands-free call, it has touch controls, and it has a powerful technology of Bluetooth enabled. So let's open it and see what we are getting inside it. So it's a nice packing and very good background. As you can see, never hurt, never fall out. So yes, so the design of this headphone is such that it easily cover up your ear and it will not fall out from your earphone if you are doing a workout or like this climbing, as you can see in this image. Okay, so it is pretty new, brand new JBL Endurance Peak earbud, and you can see it comes in a one hand, so it's pretty small. And you got a manual. This is charging cable, and these are extra earpiece of small and bigger size. So let's see, this is the manual. If you want to read it, you can read it. So it is a kind of you can see how to power it on, and what are the touch controls will give you. On the back sides it's the same thing. This is a manual, a big manual, which I don't want to read it right now. Okay, this is the warranty card. And yes, so this is contains Harman audio. So that's good. And now let's open it up. So let's open the earbuds first. So the earbuds, this is the case, and you can see you can put it earbuds over here, earbuds, or you can say the pieces of these earbuds, and like there are two pieces, so you can put it to one over here, like the right and right and left. This is the carrying like the holder where you can just tie the, and this is the charging slot of USB type. So the durability of this box is quite good. It is very durable. The build is nice. The cable, the color is nice. You get this orange type of cable. And let's see what is the quality of the cable. So you can see that the cable is quite short. It is not too long. You can plug it to your laptop and you can charge it. However, the build is nice, it is durable, and you can see that the cable is good of good quality. So you can connect this to this USB case and you can charge it from laptop. These are the some extra ear pieces of different sizes. So as per your size, you can just plug it to the earbuds and you can find the size which is as per your ears. So I got this a pair, like two pairs of extra ear pieces. So let's open these earbuds. So I just pushing it down. Okay, so yes, this is very nice quality. The cover is also nice, you can see. Let's throw it out. Okay, so as you can see over here, it is consists of magnet, so it is flexible, you can bend it. So I have used this around 2 years and it is very nice. I'm feeling comfortable while using also. Like you will not get any kind of hurt or a feeling of that like you are getting pain while wearing this. Okay, so these are the touch controls. It is a touch control enabled, so there is no kind of a button, it just touch. So you have just need to swipe it up, swipe up for volume control, swipe down for volume, lowering the volume, and if you double click on this, the song will change. And you can also talk with this if you are getting calls. So let's now, so as you can see, there is no kind of there is no button. If you press it, it will not start. So that's the thing, you need to keep it up, keep it in your mind that this will not start just by pressing it or just by holding it. So now let's see how can we put this in the case. So it's contains of this magnet, so it will easily get down if you just push it. And you can see that the red lights comes on, and that means it is charging. And on the case you can see these dots like this one. These are for showing the how much battery it has. So now as you can see, the one dot has get reduced, that means it is charging and it is losing the battery. So that's fine. It's you can just see when you need to charge your case, whenever you get this battery, whenever the battery gets lowered. Okay, so that's all. If you again, as I am showing that it will not start it if you press it, or as you can see over there, that means that the red light is blinking, that means you need to charge this. So let's charge this first, and after 10-minute charge we can just quickly see it's functioning, right? So it is charging, the red lights are blinking on the earbuds, and also I am charging through laptop. So on the bottom side you can see that this white light is blinking, that means the case is charging, and simultaneously these earbuds are also charging. Now let's start it up. So again, there is no button. What you need to do, you need to just wear this. So it has a sensor, so whenever you wear this to your ears, it will automatically starts. So I am wearing this. It's again very comfortable while you wear it, and as soon as I wear it, the light gets turned to blue, and now the light is blinking, that means it's need to get paired up. So again, you can see that it is very comfortable, it will not get fall out from your ear. That's the specialty of these earbuds, and you can do workout, running, whatever you want while wearing this. From sides view you can see that okay, it's very comfortable, it's fine. And I will shake my hand to show you that it will not fall it out. Okay, so that's the build quality, and let's see. Yep, so it is not falling out, that's good. Now let's connect to the with mobile. So this is a JBL Endurance pick. Select that while turning the Bluetooth, and it will say okay, pair. Click on OK. That will pair up my JBL Endurance pick with the mobile. And now as you can see, the lights get stopped, like it's not blinking now, it's a single blue light, that means it has been connected. And I am seeing the video. So what I will show you, if I click, just touch it, it will pause it. One touch will pause it, double touch will go for the next. If I scroll up, it will raise the volume. If I scroll down, it will lower the volume. So as I am just rubbing it like this, I'm just touching it, you can see that the volume is changing, like up for volume up and down for volume down. Again, the one touch is for pause, double touch is for next. And now let's see the sound.